Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Oncoming automobile today, we're diving into one of the most elegant and timeless American classics, the 1964 Lincoln Continental Convertible, finished in a stunning black exterior that truly defines luxury and class. This car isn't just a ride, it's a statement, a symbol of sophistication, power, and American craftsmanship at its best. Whether you're a fan of vintage luxury or just love the sound of a smooth V8, this Lincoln will leave you absolutely mesmerized. So, sit back, relax, and let's take a ride through the story, beauty, and performance of this iconic 1964 Continental Convertible. Exterior. When you first lay eyes on the 1964 Lincoln Continental Convertible, it immediately commands attention. The black paint reflects every bit of light with a mirror-like finish, highlighting the car's long, low, and wide stance. Measuring over 18 feet in length, this Continental wasn't designed to blend in, it was built to stand out. The clean, straight lines and the famous rear-hinged suicide doors make it one of the most recognizable silhouettes in automotive history. The front grille is a masterpiece of chrome detailing, with the Lincoln star sitting proudly in the center, while the full-width taillights at the back give it a bold and elegant finish. The 15-inch whitewall tires wrapped around polished chrome hubcaps complete the classic 60s luxury look. This car isn't just vintage, it's art on wheels, the kind that turns every head on the boulevard. Interior. Step inside, and you're instantly transported to a world of mid-century luxury. The interior of this Lincoln is spacious, plush, and perfectly designed for comfort. The black leather seats are soft yet supportive, wrapping you in elegance from every angle. Every surface, from the dashboard to the door panels, is finished with chrome accents and fine detailing that screams sophistication. The dashboard layout is simple yet classy, featuring horizontal gauges and a two-spoke steering wheel that feels like something out of a jet cockpit. One of the most iconic features is the fully automatic convertible top, smooth and silent, transforming this luxury sedan into an open-air cruiser in just seconds. The back seat offers an incredible amount of legroom, making it perfect for a relaxing drive under the open sky. In 1964, this was the height of automotive indulgence, and even today, it feels special. Performance. Under the long, sculpted hood lies a powerful 7.0-liter, 430 cubic inch, V8 engine producing around 320 horsepower. It's mated to a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission that delivers effortless cruising power. This isn't a car meant for high-speed racing, it's a car meant to glide. The Continental was designed to deliver an ultra-smooth, quiet ride, and it does that flawlessly. The suspension soaks up every bump in the road, and the steering feels relaxed yet confident. When you press down on the accelerator, the V8 roars to life with a deep, commanding tone that reminds you this car means business. For a vehicle weighing nearly 5,000 pounds, it moves with grace and authority. It's not about speed, it's about presence, the kind of calm, powerful confidence that only a Lincoln can deliver. Prices and final thoughts. Now let's talk about what it takes to own one of these beauties today. Depending on the condition and originality, the 1964 Lincoln Continental Convertible can range anywhere from $70,000 for a solid driver to well over $150,000 for a fully restored showpiece. But honestly, owning a car like this isn't just about money, it's about owning a piece of American history. From its bold design to its luxurious ride and timeless appeal, the 1964 Lincoln Continental Convertible remains one of the most iconic classic cars ever built. So if you're a fan of vintage luxury, drop a comment below and tell me what you think of this black beauty. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ride.